welcome to Aimco Manufacturing. Here we have an ID grab tool used to pick up the clutch assemblies you see here. This has a expanding bladder with a rubber shield on the outside to protect the bladder and also to protect the part. This is a buttonless system for the pick and place, so once the system bottoms out, it will automatically expand and pick the part. I'll show you how that works. We guide it into place, bottom out, it picks the part by expanding the bladder. This is a unique system to where the tilt function does not work until the operator is standing on the force sensing mat, the safety mat. Once the operator is on the mat, the tilt function will allow you to bring the part up, inspect it, and tilt it back into place. Again, when you're not standing on the mat, the tilt function is disabled. To set the part down, you'll bring the part down onto a supportive surface. It'll automatically unclamp the part by releasing the bladder. Of course, we do have the float mode option on the G-Force. And press that button one time and you can float just the part itself if you wanted. To get it out of float mode, you grab the handlebar, and now you've got your vertical control on the force sensing handlebar. The way the vertical control works is you can easily manipulate the part up and down anywhere on this handle. Well, thanks for watching. Please visit Aimco Manufacturing for more product videos.